How to change Facebook name. Hello, Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to change your name on Facebook. Whether it's a legal name change, a nickname update, or just a desire for something new. Let's get started. Click on three lines at the top. Go to the settings. You can see Account Center on the top. Look, there is an option, Personal and Account Information. If it is not, then search this option. Select the option. Click on Name. You can see boxes of names. Write your name in the box which you want to change. Then click on Review Change. Select the name. Type your password. Click Save Changes. Your name was changed successfully. And there you have it. Changing your name on Facebook is a simple process. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.